Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool wooden wall crank telephone. It's a Kellogg, and this is Melba's equipment from Illinois. And this is the initial checkout. Now, this really cool wooden wall crank telephone has been in Melba's family for a long time, and she really wants to be able to use this unit like her family did years ago. At some point, there was an attempt made to turn this telephone into a working telephone, and they were going to convert it, and then it never was finished. Now, this unit was brought in all apart. And so what we want to do is troubleshoot the magneto, the solenoids, and the hook switch, and all the issues that go along with this telephone. We want to find out what parts are usable and what parts need to be repaired or replaced. Now, the shelf for the magneto on the inside of this telephone is missing, so we will have to make that shelf and install it. We also want to take a look at the transmitter. We will have to install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and it will have plenty of transmit power. We will also be installing a keypad in the battery box area so that Melba can make calls with this telephone. We're going to install a circuit that we design and build that allows you to walk up to this telephone, crank the magneto, ring the original bells, but not backfeed any voltage into the telephone line, and yet when you get a call, the original bells will ring. We also want to install a modular line port so that you can bring up any line cord, any length, any color you choose, plug right into the modular port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. The receiver capsule cloth cord will have to be replaced. And the receiver capsule is original. It has the diaphragm style receiver capsule. If we can utilize that in the conversion, we will. If not, we will have to upgrade the inside of the receiver capsule. We also want to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. And there is no wiring in this unit, so we will have to rewire this telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with the magneto. We have our crank handle on, and we want to just go ahead and turn the unit. And as you can tell, the main gear is not turning. So we want to go through the magneto. We're going to need to take it apart, troubleshoot everything, and make our repairs. And then we also need to make sure that this magneto is producing voltage. So we'll go ahead and start working on that, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of troubleshooting the solenoids for the bells, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, sometime in the past, the coil on this side of the solenoid has been damaged and the wire was broken. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and repair the wire and then protect the coil of wire. So we want to stabilize everything. And we're going to go ahead and finish up that repair, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and what we want to do is go ahead and crank the magneto and ring the original bells. So we'll go ahead and start that. We'll go ahead and do that one more time. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. and we'll go ahead and hang up our receiver. We'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. And I also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected to the line so that you can hear the audio on our final checkout. Now we want to go ahead and call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, June 20th. The current time, 7:11 p.m. and the temperature, 86 degrees.
Now that we know that this really cool Kellogg wooden wall crank telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Melba and they can enjoy this telephone once again, just like her family did years ago. And I'm sure this telephone's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.